Trim-Lok's Fender flare trim is the perfect solution when needing to add a new trim or replace your old worn trim. Our Fender flare trim is an ozone-resistant EPDM rubber trim that adheres to the flare using 3M automotive-grade tape. It provides an attractive finish and protection between the flare and body of your vehicle by isolating vibration, minimizing friction to prevent scratches, and eliminating the risk of rocks and debris getting caught between the flare and the body. Installation is quick and easy. Start by removing the flare and prepping the edge. Trim-Lok recommends using a cleaning solution of 1 part isopropyl alcohol and 1 part water with a clean rag. Take care to remove any dirt, debris, or old glue on your flare to ensure proper trim adhesion. Start your installation by using a pair of straight edge clippers to make a clean cut on your starting edge. Push the trim onto the edge and work your way around the length of the flare. Use a rocking motion to ensure the trim goes completely over the edge and continue the process until you reach the end. Do not remove the tape during this step. Taping will be done after the trim has been pushed on. When you reach the end of the flare, mark and cut the trim. Ensure the trim is properly seated on the entire length of the flare by pushing down firmly. You're now ready to begin taping. Pull back a small section of the trim, peel the tape liner, and press it firmly back onto the flare. Continue peeling the liner a few inches at a time and apply pressure by pressing firmly on the tape side. Repeat this process until you have taped the trim along the entire edge of the flare. You're now ready to reinstall your flare back onto your vehicle. Trim-Lok recommends cleaning the fenders before reinstalling. Trim-Lok's Fender flare trim is not only easy to install and looks great, it will give your vehicle the protection it needs.